Hello guys, welcome back. Ultimate love. Iyke mom calls Iyke and Roksie to vote against Roksie. Okay, if you're just joining in, this is NAIJA News and Entertainment, your favorite YouTube channel. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show. The Ultimate Love show is getting to an end, and then now the politics are beginning to come up in the game. According to reports, Iykeresa and Roksie are in serious contention for the Ultimate Love crown. The show is expected to end on Sunday. Recorded on Wednesday, ObiEbi and PreshDavid got evicted from the love path. It's been rumours that the mother of Iyke has allegedly made a strategic move to have the support of other love guests out of the game so far. According to some online revelation, Iyke's mother is capitalizing on the loyalty of Iyke and Roksie, while she also came upon PreshDavid and ObiEbi for the important meeting. The mother of both Iyke, 24, and Teresa, 23, are now very close, but many have insisted they are not ready for marriage and both parties only cooperating for the grand prize. Reacting to this news that was shared on Facebook, a Facebook user named Adarayo asked the reporter where this gist was gotten from, and she responded by saying she's also lodged in the same hotel where the evicted love guests are at the moment. Earlier in the week, there was also a trending video making around in the social media which has stirred reaction among the viewers of the Ultimate Love reality TV show. Benson and his friend Michael, who were seen campaigning for Iykeresa to emerge winning couple. Michael was heard saying, "If you are not voting for Iykeresa, you are wrong." Benson echoed from behind in support. The winning pair will walk away with 5 million naira and will be rewarded with a potential wedding ceremony, sponsorship, and a house if their courtship survives 1 year. Bola, Chivia, Double Chris, Iykeresa and Roksie are the last 5 couples in contention for the grand prize, by which the winner will be officially announced on Sunday night. Stay tuned to NAIJA News and Entertainment to get the full coverage of the Ultimate Love finale. Alright guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.